sister's house. 8 seconds to go. This is my sister's backyard. I'm getting ready to show her. She won't let me show her. There's my nephews. Oh, here comes the test. Oh, wow, it gets loud. I hope you guys can hear that. So they run this tornado test every Saturday at noon just to make sure that the warnings, alarms are working properly, I guess. It gets really loud. Does it turn around? Does it go like in a circle or something? Or I'm gonna show you, okay? All right, she shrugged her shoulders. She's ready to be seen. Of course, my mom actually lost her house in a tornado here a few years ago. The May 3rd tornado that they had. So it's a pretty good system. If you hear these sirens, you need to get in your shelter. Shelter in place. What happens if there's really a tornado at noon on a Saturday and people think it's the alarm? I mean, the warning test. Oh. And it's a windy day today. You guys see the wind blowing in the trees? It's probably been about a minute. How long does it go? A minute? More than that? Let's show them. Show them your camera. It's been going for how long? Whoops, it's timing out. Oh, it's been going for 2 minutes already. It kind of fades and then it comes back and it's loud. Right, boys? Right, Lisa? Why is my sister so shy? Of course, I'm not showing myself this morning. Alright, that was the sirens. Hope you guys enjoyed hearing a warning test from Oklahoma. We'll be back, guys.